In this video, I'll show you how to fix playback speed not changing problem on YouTube. For any reason, if you're trying to change the playback speed on your YouTube video but it's not working, then here's how you actually can fix the problem. But before you start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold the YouTube application from your phone and then tap on App Info. And from the App Info, go and tap on Clear Data at the bottom right and then tap Clear Cache. Now go and tap on OK and your YouTube app cache will be deleted from the device, and you just need to get back from here and then simply go and open up the Play Store and then search for YouTube here. Once you get the YouTube app, go ahead and tap on this one, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your YouTube application to the latest version. And once you do that, just get back from here and restart your phone once. And once you do this process, your problem is going to be solved and your YouTube playback speed will be changing on time. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.